Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Here, we explore unexpected and dangerous traffic situations, split-second moments that unfold in the blink of an eye. Each scenario not only delivers suspense but also offers a valuable lesson on road safety and awareness. Be sure to watch until the end to see what happens and take away a lesson for yourself. Don't forget to hit subscribe and follow the channel so you don't miss the latest updates. Thanks for watching. A man had stopped his vehicle by the roadside and opened the trunk to retrieve an item, completely unaware that danger was hurtling straight toward him. Suddenly, another vehicle lost control and slammed violently into the stationary car. The impact shook everything in an instant. Fortunately, the man managed to dodge the collision, narrowly escaping disaster. Had he been just a second slower, the outcome could have been vastly different. This serves as a warning to us all. Whenever you stop your vehicle on the road, always keep an eye on your surroundings, both ahead and behind, and choose a safe location. And right now, another dangerous situation unfolds. The vehicle is traveling at high speed when it suddenly enters a curve. In a split second, it loses control, skids violently, and surges forward. A heart-stopping moment. Just the slightest bit of carelessness could have easily led to a collision with other vehicles on the road. And here is a situation that truly makes the heart skip a beat. While workers were busy repairing the traffic light system, a massive vehicle suddenly came barreling toward them. Crash. The vehicle slammed into the work zone, causing severe damage to the traffic lights and surrounding equipment. A mere moment of inattention or loss of control can instantly turn a work site into a place of extreme danger. A sudden rear-end collision traffic was flowing normally when, suddenly, a collision occurred. The vehicle behind appeared to fail to maintain a safe following distance. When the car ahead slowed down, it surged forward and slammed into the rear. Z's. The crash happened in the blink of an eye, demonstrating how just a single second of inattention can lead to an unfortunate accident. Always maintain a safe distance, keep an eye on the vehicle ahead, and proactively slow down when necessary. And don't look away from the screen. The next dangerous situation is even more unexpected. What we have just witnessed is enough to make anyone shudder. But the most frightening reality is that such accidents could happen to anyone on the road. Just a split second of inattention, a reckless overtake, speeding, or a lapse in judgment can alter a life forever in an instant. So, when you are behind the wheel, don't just focus on getting there faster. Focus on getting home safely. Slow down when necessary, maintain a safe following distance, check carefully before changing direction, and always yield the right of way whenever possible. Because for every road user, it is not merely a journey. There is a family waiting for them to return. Don't let a moment of haste turn into a lifetime of regret. Please hit like, subscribe to the channel, and share this video to help spread the message of road safety to more people. Thank you for watching until the end.